Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for coming back. If you just watched my brow video, I hope you liked it. If you haven't seen it yet, go back to the videos, have a look. I did a brow tutorial, a quick brow tutorial. And today I'm doing a mascara tutorial because even though I do lash extensions for a living, I don't actually wear lash extensions. I wear mascara. So these are my lashes. Like you can see, there's literally no extensions on them, just my eyelashes. So and they're a little bit straight too. I don't know if you can tell that in the video, but a lot of my clients want to know how I get that lift that I get with my lashes, and how it looks like I am wearing lash extensions. So I'm gonna try to show you that today. I've never made a video like this before, and my technique is very different. So I'm going to try to show you the best I can. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to get someone to take the video for me. But let's go ahead and get started. So my favorite mascara, hands down, no matter what I've tried, is actually L'Oreal Voluminous. I'm sorry, L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Is that upside down? No. Lash Paradise. There it is. You get it. And I get it in Blackest Black. Blackest Black. I have also tried Shiseido. I got their little Controlled Chaos. It's good. I've tried Babe Lash. I actually love their lash serum. Love their lip plumper, and I'm getting ready to try their brow products, and I'm really excited about that. What I like about Babe Lash, you'll see, I'll take their brush out. Their mascara is amazing for bottom lashes. The shape of the mascara wand is perfect for bottom lashes. And then I've also tried Clarins. I just get these little samples of mascara. Companies send me stuff, so whatever. But my favorite, Lash Paradise. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's my trick. Number one trick. Trick number one. Have a dirty mirror that has a regular side and a dirty magnified side. It's embarrassing. Have it on a stand, nice and tall. My second trick, and this is a really interesting one. Sit down while you're putting your mascara on. When you stand up, or when you lean against the kitchen or the bathroom sink, or when you lean against, if you try to sit on the floor and look into the mirror, like the closet mirror, you're leaning forward too much, and you're like this too much. You need your equipment to come to you. So I like a tall mirror that swivels and has a magnifying side. So I like to turn it up almost to where like I'm looking up my nose. Like I can see up my nose. So you turn it up, you're not facing it and then doing this. You turn it up towards you. Get your mascara out. Now I don't know if I'll be able to talk while I'm doing this, but I'll give it a shot. You sure do see every blemish in this lighting. If you have questions about what kind of lights I use, what kind of mirror I use, what kind of ring light I use, anything, let me know. Questions, comments, subscribe, all that in the comments below. Also, we don't pump our mascara. We've known that for like 30 years. We just don't pump our mascara. I start at the bottom. Start at the very bottom, almost to the skin, and work my way up. I don't start at the middle of the lash hair or shaft. I start at the bottom, and I spend a lot of time putting my mascara on, more than I spend doing any other part of my makeup. And that's because I use the mascara, like the actual formula, the product, to shape and lift and push up my lashes. I use the mascara, not necessarily just the one, but also the mascara, to push up my lashes. And I think that's one of the reasons that they are so curly. so. Also, doing it several times. I know some people are like, no, this is already taking too long. But doing it several times while the mascara is still wet on your lash and has not formed, I think, in my opinion, gives you thicker looking lashes without them being clumpy. If you do this while the lash, after the lash has dried, then the lashes tend to look very clumpy and thick and chunky and spidery. And this way they're slick, separated, and lifted, and they look like lash extensions. Now here's another trick that I like to do. And L'Oreal, listen up. If y'all can make a formula that just does this and call it second step or something, I don't know, you might make a lot of money. I like to use my older one that I'm about to throw away to thicken up the lashes. Because it's older, there's been more oxygen that has hit it, so it's like a thicker formula. So I like to use this one because you know when you open a brand new tube of mascara, it's like so wet that it doesn't even, your lashes just end up looking like little stripes. I don't even know what to call them. So I like to slap on a coat of the older stuff at the end to give it a little bit of like teeth. Now let me tell you, I get mascara all over my eyes when I put my mascara on. And that's totally fine because I have a trick to take it off, which I will show you. Yes, I'm still putting on one eye and it has been 7 minutes. No, I don't take 14 minutes to do my mascara. I'm just taking this much longer because I'm showing you guys how to do it. So right now, all I'm doing is getting the shape right so that they're all not stuck together. They're like this. They're all fanned out. They're curled up. And then I will clean up afterwards. Get really into the inner corner. And I fan out the outer corner. Because that's how we want our lashes to look. There's eye number 1. How's it look? I think it looks good. Close that one. Oh, and don't ever go from old to new, because you'll ruin the new formula. Always go from new to old. Don't do it. And see, I've got a little bit of mascara there on my lid. I'm just gonna leave it, because if you understand how mascara works, then you know how to clean it up. If you try to clean up that smudge right away, you're gonna ruin it. So remember, magnified side, up your nose. Start at the base. This is where y'all will really be able to see it. Start at the base. And just, you're almost like starting so low that you're lifting the lid off of the eyeball. You don't have to work fast. You don't have to go quick with your coats. Take it easy. Take it slow. Shape your lashes. Have a nice time with this. Sometimes I listen to an audiobook. A whole book. Just doing my lashes. I'm kidding. I don't really listen to the whole book. But you want to get them from the base to the tip. And if you want them to look nice, why rush it? Get those inner lashes. Keep applying. Keep lifting. So we're lifting. That's how I get my lashes curly. I'm pushing up constantly. Every time I start at that base and do a swipe, I'm pushing the lashes up so that they stay up and curled. The thing about mascara is it has a product in it that when it's in the tube, it's slick and creamy and viscous. But when you put it on your lashes and it starts to dry, it it gets solidified and thick and harder. And that's because it's supposed to do that. It's almost like a shrinky dink. Like once it gets in contact with the air, it like forms into the shape that you put it in. So you might as well put it in a nice shape, ladies, because it's gonna freeze that way. This stuff is like clay that you can really, really work with until a certain point when it's too dry, and then it becomes clumpy, gross, flaky, and you gotta leave it alone. Now let's do a little bit of girth. Another thing I do sometimes, just to kind of look a little more innocent, is I won't put any bottom mascara on. I think it makes the eyes look a little more wide and open, to leave the natural beachy, leaving the bottom lashes undone. I think it's pretty youthful. But I'm going to show y'all how to do bottom lashes today because we're doing mascara. So now we're on the thick solution. All right, all right, all right. Getting those inner corners. Little fuzz. And that's it. Mascara's on. Now, because I love this Babe Lash wand so much, I'm going to show you all how I do my bottom lashes. I'm going to show you this wand too. It's curved. I don't know if you can see that. It curves down and it's wide this way, skinny this way. So it's almost like a paddle. So I just paddle it on those bottom lashes. And with the bottom lashes, I don't worry about the tips of my lashes at all. I only worry about the base of my bottom lashes. Sometimes I'll wiggle it a little bit on the base and then do that with the other side. Cha cha cha. And even if you get mascara down here, just move on with your makeup, let it dry, and I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, so mascara's done. Let me go get a Q-tip and show you how I fix spots. Be right back. So, spots like this, take a dry Q-tip. I don't even have to look in the mirror. I think it's right there. Maybe I do have to look in the mirror. Flake it off, it's gone. A little bit here on the inner corner. Flake it off, it's gone. And that's it. That is how I do my mascara in a way that makes it look like I curled my lashes, because curling your lashes is bad. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment, ask questions. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Anything you want. Thanks. Bye.